I wanted to show off another beautiful paper line. This is My Colors Glimmer, and it's a pearlescent textured cardstock. So you can see when the light catches it, it actually has a little bit of shimmer. Let me get a light here so I can really show it off. It's got a ton of shimmer and shine. It's beautiful stuff. It's actually made for cutters. So that's why we're so excited about this. It cuts beautifully. Made for cutting. You get that same shimmery textured cardstock that's really hard to cut in normal situations, but this was made for cutting. Comes in 30 different colors and it is 80 pounds, so it's nice and sturdy. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love when the light hits it and you get that shimmery pearlescent tone. And this is from My Colors. We have a couple different other lines from My Colors. It's high quality cardstock. I mentioned this was actually created for cutting, and I wanted to show you just how well it cuts. So if you're familiar with Basil Bling, it's beautiful paper. It has that same pearlescent textured shimmer, but it actually doesn't cut that well. And this is made purposefully to cut. So this is a tiny little flower. It does beautiful. Even these little flowers with the little tiny points, it did so well on those as well. So that's one of the best selling features of this paper, is that it's designed for die cutting. So if you are a Cricut or Silhouette user, you're gonna love it. Also, design team member Kate tried it on metal dies and she said that it cuts beautifully there as well. So it definitely is made for cutting, works both places. I typically kind of judge a cardstock line by the teals and the pinks as far as how trendy the colorways are, and this is just beautiful. I love the contrast of those two teals. The pinks are just beautiful. You've got a light and a darker. Of course, the yellows are just super on point. And then you've got all the basics too, the browns, the black, a couple grays, and a white. So this white is so pretty. I just think it's gorgeous for handmade cards and wedding invitations. It's just really beautiful. Design team member Kate made a few projects with it, and you can see just how beautiful it looks when you use it with die cutting on handmade cards. It's great for lots of other projects. It is acid free, so it's great for scrapbooking as well. This is My Colors Glimmer. Go grab it in the shop now.